Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Azure Container Registry from VPS pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Azure Container Registry from VPS pipelines, start by logging into your Azure account. Next, ensure you have the Azure CLI installed on your local machine or your VPS. Open a terminal window and run the command to log in to your Azure account. Use the command azlogin and follow the prompts to authenticate. Once logged in, identify your Azure Container Registry by listing all registries in your subscription. Run the command azacr list output table to display the registries. Note the name of the registry you wish to authenticate with. Now, obtain the service principal credentials necessary for automation. You can create a service principal by using the command az-add-sp create for rbc name your service principal name roller pool scopes /subscriptions. Replace the placeholders with your specific details. Make sure to copy the generated app ID and password as you will need these credentials later. Next, navigate to your VPS pipeline configuration settings. In your pipeline configuration file, include the necessary environment variables for authentication. Set the app ID as Azure_client_ID, the password as Azure_client_secret, and the tenant ID as Azure_tenant_ID. Ensure that your pipeline uses the Azure CLI to log into the Azure Container Registry. Include the command azacr login name registry name in your pipeline script. This command will authenticate using the service principal. To confirm successful authentication, run a command to list the images from the Azure Container Registry. Use azacr repository list name registry name output table to check the repositories available. This setup allows your VPS pipeline to securely interact with Azure Container Registry. Make sure to test your pipeline to ensure authentication is working correctly. Monitor the output for any errors during the login process or image retrieval. That concludes the step-by-step guide for authenticating to Azure Container Registry from VPS pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.